This channel is for educational purposes only. All videos, presentations and writing are only for educational purposes and are not intended as investment advice. You can implement this while trading at your own risk. If you would like to learn and follow our videos, please subscribe.
Hello everyone, my name is Victor from Naija TradeWise. Hope you're all having a great weekend. As we approach the new week, we're going to run through our market selection for the coming week. But before we do that, a few words about Naija TradeWise and our partner broker BKFX Banking Forex. Now, BKFX is registered and regulated in South Africa, but also in Nigeria, we have a fidelity guarantee insurance with ICO. Now, what are the benefits and features of working with Naija TradeWise and BKFX? You work with a broker you can trust. You get a 100% deposit bonus. We match your funds any amount you put in. And also, it's regulated and it's a secure broker, like I mentioned before. And finally, you can fund easily with Naira. But the most important thing, one of the things we have that's awesome, is our money management. You have professional traders trade on your behalf and you share profits. Now, with that out of the way, we should go to our market selection for this week. So, what do we have for this week? We have 10 financial instruments that we're trading, 8 forex pairs, currencies, 1 commodity, and 1 index. So, what's the first one we're starting with? We're going to be working with the Euro USD. That's the first pair. So, let's look at this. What do we see here? So, the Euro USD has been bullish for quite some time. The fundamental data that came out over the on Friday wasn't the best, and we noticed that these candlesticks are all above the moving average. So we will be buyers. We just need to look for a place to get in from. I would suggest we get in at about, we look for an entry position about right here. That's 21.893 for entry position. And then I think we can take profit at around here, 23.531. That's for the Euro USD. We don't have much to talk about in that one. Now we move to the next pair, the British Pound USD. Now, also the same thing. The British Pound has been shooting up for quite a number of months now, as you can see, all the way back from April. It's been bullish. So we should look for an entry point. I would suggest we, of course, same place, somewhere around here, 1.41627. We make our entry, and I would say at around here, 1.43, we can take our profit. Now the next pair is the USD Japanese yen. Now this one is a bit tricky. We look at this, right? The data coming out of the US is not the best, but also the Japanese yen, the economy is also struggling. So we will be bullish here. Now, I would say we should look for our entry point at around somewhere around, say here, 109.315. We can be buyers there. And we can hold it, let's look at how it goes for months. We can hold it to about 115 for take profit. This is a long trade, so it's not a short one. So what we'll do is buy this holding for a number of weeks, that I would say. Our next pair is the Euro Japanese yen. The Euro also has been doing something great. You can see, in fact, the Euro has been strong. Look, it's been going up and up and up. So what we will be doing here is looking for an entry point, I would say at around here. we can take it. 132, 730 will be our entry point. And let's just find somewhere at around 134 for a take profit. 134.030. Of course, it will take some time before this will materialize, but that's where we will be taking our entry and our profit. If you guys have noticed, we're focusing more on the Japanese yen, because yes, the Japanese yen is a not so super currency at this moment, and even the New Zealand dollar. Apologies, I don't mean to. Of course, if you compare the New Zealand dollar and the US dollar, the difference is there. So even the New Zealand dollar, it's getting much stronger against that. Of course, you can see here, so it's bullish. So I would say we can take our entry point at around this point, 78.547, and then we can take our profit at around, I would say, 81.67. That's for that. Now for the okay, for the New Zealand USD, this has been getting weaker for some time. If we look at this, okay, so this is looking also bullish. So what do? We come to the daily chart, and then we look for an entry point. I would say at around, this is going to be a long trade. I would say at around here, 72.001. It's a good entry point, and we would say at around 75 for take profits. That's that for the New Zealand dollar USD. Now we move to our first commodity, that is silver. What do we do with silver? We will be buyers here because we see it's also been trending. It's going up, so we would be buyers at say about this point, 27, and then we can take profit. I would say comfortably at 29.166 for take profit. Our last pair is the Australian dollar. This, we look at this pair, it has of course, this is also bullish, so we look for an entry point. Let's check this out. We can take it from about, say, here. Apologies for the extra moving average on the screen. We don't have much time, so we will not be taking it off. So we enter about 1.078881, and this is a long time trade. I would sit in this for 1.111. So these are all the instruments we will be looking at for the coming week. If you have any questions or you have any instruments you'd like us to analyze, please just come to either our Facebook or visit www.NaijaTradeWise. Leave us a comment, an email, or even in our YouTube on our YouTube channel. You can leave comments and we will read them, and whatever it is we need to do, if it's analyze an instrument or make some amendments, we will get on it. Thank you very much. I'm Victor from Naija TradeWise. You all have a great weekend. Thank you. Bye.